Will a private AI run on an old 2012 iMac? Why would you want to do this? Use of AI is becoming more prevalent but requires an investment in new hardware or paying for a cloud service. Some companies restrict the use of AI over the internet, citing privacy concerns, so a local AI is the only method allowed. Let's take a look at this iMac. It's a late 2012 model with 16 gigs of RAM and a quad-core processor. This older iMac can't make use of its GPU for AI processing, but there are recent options for running AI with lower hardware requirements. To get around this, one of a few popular and easy-to-install options is from Ollama at ollama.com. Ollama requires your Mac use a version of OS X higher than this 2012 Mac is compatible with. To get around this, I used OpenCore Legacy Patcher. See my full video on how to install this and get your iMac on a new version of OS X. Download Ollama for Mac, unzip it and install it, following any prompts to allow the install to complete. Then browse the AI models on the Ollama website to find one that is small and efficient enough to run on slower hardware with less memory. For example, we will use Llama 3.1 with 8 billion parameters. The number of parameters references how many terms and weights the model was trained on, so lower parameters means it could be less accurate, but will output faster on less memory. You can try different models and compare their performance. We will use the Llama we just installed to get the model and run it. Using the command Llama, we will pull the AI model named Llama 3.1 with the 8 billion parameters. This will take a few minutes, so we'll just skip ahead. Once finished downloading, it runs a few self-checks and returns us to the command prompt. At the prompt, we can run Ollama commands like ps to see if any AI are currently running. There are currently none. We can use list to see what we downloaded and which are available to run. The Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters model is there. Let's run it. We will use the verbo switch to get statistics we can compare as we use it more often and change the pull command to run. This smaller model will load in system memory. It does not take too long. Let's wait in real time to see how long it takes to load. There. It's ready for us to ask a question. Let's try a simple one. Even on a 2012 iMac, the model seems to be responding at the speed of human speech. While not blazing fast, it is adequate. Let's ask a more complicated request to write a funny story about a man who went to the moon using a garbage can. The AI takes a moment to start processing, but responds at a consistent pace. Time to go get a cup of coffee. While locally run AI might be slower or require an investment in faster computers, it will ensure your proprietary company data and code are not accidentally sent to AI cloud servers on the internet. Keep in mind this method allows you to use an old iMac to run local AI, but not to train it on your data. Not yet anyway. Subscribe and stay tuned.